This is Group 5's peer review for Group 1. So far, we are welcome to a presentation with them having a voiceover. So in the beginning, they introduce themselves, and then we move on to what they have planned. They have made it look very organized, which is really good. So they have sound roles. So they have 4 roles, which is program, audio, and assets. So as you can see, Hassan is doing the programming, Joaz doing the audio, and Nasim and David are doing the asset corrections, which make them look really creative, organized, which is really good when you're doing a project. Then we move on to seeing some of Joaz's work so far. As he's the audio developer, he made the game music. So from what I can see, this actually fits their idea, which is to make an interactive product where you help recycling, therefore helping the world, which is what I think is quite good. Then we move on to see some of Nassim's work. As you can see, he's made half of his character for the Lego model. He's almost finished from what I can see. Well, he just needs to duplicate the legs and make the arm and the head, but he's almost finished with the actual character. Once he just needed texture. And then we move to the other asset creator, which is David. He so far has made a Lego character he has finished his Lego character, including the texturing, in 3ds Max from what I can see, and he's also made 3 models in Mechavix. He has made a recycling car, rubbish car, a rubbish bin, and a recycling. Then we move on to Hassan Works, where he's made a complete UI for the product. He has a play, setting, and exit tab, UI buttons, and he's also set up like stuff for resolution, full screen, volume, and graphics. Then he just shows us little how it works.
We go here, you just change the resolution.
And he's also giving us a lot of resolution types, which is quite good. And from what I think, they should work.
Decide whether to have full screen or not. You decide the graphics of the.
Yeah, so he doesn't show it actually works from what I can see.
Interactive field game.
Meaning probably still working on. And then we have what they want to achieve by the end of the week and month. So far I can see, so the assets that he's made in the work in progress. So for example, the Lego character I'm assuming he's talking about should be finished, is what he's saying. The music should be done when it just sounds like it is. To me, it sounds like it's done. It just needs to be extended. They need to make their first level, and by the end of the month, they want to have everything finished, if possible. And then they just have a little conclusion, which is good. From what I can see with this project, they are very organized. They know what they're doing, and I think that's really good for them.